Bangladesh, our beloved country, achieved her independence through sacrifice of millions of lives in the Liberation War of 1971. After passing 52 years of our independence, we have entered into a new dawn of hopes and aspirations, following the laying down of lives of a large number of students and members of the public in an unprecedented revolution. This has created a new horizon for bringing about reforms in every sector of the country. We show deep respect to the sacrifice made by them and offer condolence to the bereaved families. We have deep sympathy for the wounded during the anti-discrimination movement who are now in trauma and undergoing treatment in different hospitals throughout the country. To ensure integrity, accountability, transparency and good governance in every aspect of the economy, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Bangladesh was established on 6 January 1973 under the President's Order No. 2 of 1973 through the Bangladesh Chartered Accountants Order 1973. ICAB passed 50 years of its glorious journey and has become an integral part of the economic development of Bangladesh. ICAB members hold a widely respected professional accounting qualification which supports enterprise and sustainable growth in the business environment. ICAB is an autonomous body under the Ministry of Commerce, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Since its establishment, the Institute has been working to promote and regulate high-quality financial reporting and auditing in Bangladesh, develop and maintain the competence of professional accountants, and enhance the reputation of the accounting profession in all sectors of the economy. The Institute is governed by a council comprising 20 members elected from the 2 regional constituencies, Dhaka and Chattogram, headed by an elected president, and the day-to-day activities of the institutes are run by a full-time management team led by its Chief Executive Officer (CEO). ICAB has 2 regional committees, Dhaka Regional Committee (DRC) and Chittagong Regional Committee (CRC). Besides, in Dhaka, ICAB has regional office in Chittagong, Rajshahi, Rangpur, Borishal, Khulna, Sylhet and Mymensingh. It has 3 overseas chapters: the UK Management Chapter located in London, the North American Chapter based in Toronto, Canada, and the Asia Pacific Chapter located in Sydney, Australia. To move ahead with the time, ICAB has automated and digitalized its whole services value chain to provide services to members, students, and other stakeholders, including business enterprises, through professional transformation. For technical expertise and adherence to ethics and integrity, ICAB professionals are recognized and respected globally. ICAB is one of the few founding members of International Federation of Accountants (IFAC). It is also the founding member of South Asian Federation of Accountants (SAFA), member of Confederation of Asian and Pacific Accountants (CAPA), and Chartered Accountants Worldwide (CAW). Chartered accountants from ICAB are highly valued all over the world for their professional excellence and acumen to business and economy. They are now recognized by the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales, ICAEW, the Chartered Accountants of Public Finance and Accountancy, CIPFA, UK, CPA Australia, and the Chartered Accountants of Australia and New Zealand, CAANZ. Beyond the professional practice and services, ICAB members have been playing leadership roles in the country's economic growth and sustainable development. The former Finance Minister and former Planning Minister of Bangladesh, Mr. Mohammad Saifur Rahman FCA, was one of the renowned chartered accountants and past presidents of ICAB. The first Commerce Minister of Bangladesh, Mr. Mr. Siddiqui FCA, the former Deputy Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Mr. Jamaluddin Ahmed FCA, was one of the past presidents of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Bangladesh and also the former president of South Asian Federation of Accountants. The former State Minister for Finance of Bangladesh, Mr. Atauddin Khan FCA, and the former State Minister for Energy, Mr. AKM Musharraf Hussain FCA, were the renowned chartered accountants and past presidents of ICAB. Mr. AHM Mustafa Kamal FCA, the former Finance Minister of the Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh and the first Finance Secretary of Bangladesh, Mr. Matiul Islam FCA, are also the renowned members of ICAB. For strengthening the regulatory framework in Bangladesh, ICAB collaborates with Financial Reporting Council, Bangladesh Security Exchange Commission, National Board of Revenue, Bangladesh Bank, Insurance Development and Regulatory Authority, Microcredit Regulatory Authority and Registrar of Joint Stock Companies and Firms, and different ministries of the government. The Document Verification System DVS, developed to ensure and enhance the authenticity and transparency of the audited financial statements, is a milestone initiative of ICAB, which will change the financial ecosystem of the country. ICAB has been working in implementation of DVS in collaboration with National Board of Revenue and other related regulators and financial institutions. To promote high-quality financial disclosures of corporate entities, since 2001, ICAB has been organizing the National Award-Giving Ceremony for Best Presented Annual Report BPA Awards for Excellence in Corporate Reporting and Governance. The event also includes awards for the Best Corporate Governance Disclosures and Integrated Reporting. The award aims to promote integrity and transparency in the annual reports of different financial and non-financial organizations of Bangladesh to ensure accountability and good governance. An independent team formed by Review Committee for Published Accounts and Reports (RCPAR) rigorously reviews the annual reports submitted to ICAB and evaluates those reports primarily. After further review and maintaining due process, the result of evaluation is sent to the jury board. The jury board are drawn out from amongst the scholars and eminent personalities of diverse sections of the society. Awardees are selected from the following categories: private banks, financial services, manufacturing, power and energy, general insurance, life insurance, communications and information technology (IT), public sector entities, service sector, diversified holdings, NGOs, corporate governance and integrated reporting. In each category, awards are given for gold, silver and bronze positions as well as certificates of merit. Organizations securing the top 2 positions in each category for the National BPA Awards are nominated to compete for the SAFA BPA Awards. For many years, ICAB-nominated annual reports have achieved top positions in the SAFA competition across various categories including banking, financial and non-financial institutions, corporate governance and even as overall winners. It is great to see that even last year, Bangladesh secured first place in 6 categories among SAFA countries, namely private sector banks, public sector banks, manufacturing, general insurance, financial services and corporate governance. ICAB constantly supports enterprise, corporate governance and sustainable growth in business environment. We all need to work together, maintaining the highest level of our professional excellence, exploring our ethical standards and ensuring our commitment and quality towards achieving our growth and sustainability for building a better future.